ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ 2020ರಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆದ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ TET ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಯ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ನಿನ ಕೀ ಆನ್ಸರನ್ನು ನಾವು ನೋಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಈಗ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಇದೆ. ಕ್ಯೂರಿ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೋಬಾಲ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್, ಹಿಯರ್ ದ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ 1394, that is option 2. Next question. A person uses a lens of power minus 2D. The eye defect and lens used by him is, okay, here the correct answer is option 4, myopia, and concave lens is used. Next question. Resistor color code for yellow color is, here the option 3, 4 is the right answer. Every body continues to be in the state of rest or of uniform motion along a straight line unless acted upon by a external force to act otherwise. The statement is, okay, it is Newton's first law of motion, that is option 2 is the right answer. Next question. In the given figure, R1 is equal to 10 ohm, R2 40 ohm, R3 30 ohm, R4 20 ohm, R5 60 ohm, and a 12 volt battery is connected to the series. The total resistance in this circuit is, okay, here R1 and R2 are in parallel, so R3, R4 and R5 also are in parallel, so these two are in series, so we will get the answer 18 ohm. Okay, let's move on to next question. Okay, the polarity of induced EMF is such that it tends to produce a current which opposes the change in magnetic flux that produced it. This law is called as Lenz's law. It is. Next one. We slip on a rainy day due to, okay, option 4, decrease in friction. Let's move on to next question. An object is tracing circular path of radius 7 cm in its motion as shown in the figure. The displacement distance traveled by the object to go one round respectively are, okay, initial position alle barutte adu, so displacement must be 0 and distance is, okay, distance is 44 cm, radius is given, so 2 pi r will be the, okay, 2 pi r will be the distance, so 0, 44 cm is the right answer. Next one. This artificial sweetener has maximum sweetness compared to other sweeteners. Here the correct answer is Alaitame. Okay. Next one. Lambda is equal to h by mv. Okay, this famous relation is given by Louis de Broglie. Okay. Next question. Electronic theory of chemical bonding or developed by, okay, it is developed by Kosel and Lewis. Option 1 is the right answer. Milk is an example for, okay, it is an example for emulsion. Next one. 133. Polyester among the following is, okay, option 1 PET is the right answer. Next one. A number of elements available in the earth's crust, but most abundant metallic elements are, okay, aluminum and Fe is the iron is the right answer. Next one. Okay, next. Monomers of dacron are, here the correct answer is option 2, ethyl, N-glycol and terephthalic acid. Okay. Next one. Alexander Fleming discovered the antibiotic penicillin while working on this bacteria. Okay, option 4, Staphylococcus bacteria is the right answer. Next one. Okay, in this figure which shows rhythmic contraction and relaxation throughout the life without undergoing fatigue is, here the correct answer is cardiac muscles tissue. Option 3. Next one. A peptide bond is formed when the carboxyl group of one amino acid with another, okay, Option 4 amino group is right answer. Next one, the mineral which reduces the storage of cholesterol and helps in synthesis of insulin and enzymes is, okay, I think it is zinc, maybe other also, I don't know, but zinc is the answer, I think. Next 140, sucrose is a disaccharide made up of, here the correct answer is glucose and fructose. Next one, plants with well differentiated reproductive tissues that ultimately make seeds, phanerogams, are angiosperms and gymnosperms is the right answer. Next one, the leucoplasts which stores protein in plants are, okay, option 4 aleuroplast is the right answer. Next one, amino acids are organic compounds containing an amino group and acidic group as substituents on the same carbon, hence are called alpha amino acids. They are, okay, option 2 substituted methanes is the right answer. Thank you.